bange kambabuulire n'abo bennyini abakwata mundu mulabe nga bwe tuzze wano kati njagala obbasaba mwenna nga muli bakyagulanyi seetaaga kubaawo musobola okubeerako ebbala era ekkubo lisobola okunyinyiikira buli wamu njagala obbalaga baganda bange kino nali nkirabyeko abalina amasimu gaseereza mugalina mugende mukebera ekyabadde e Nepal omwezi gumu n'ekitundu okuyise abaana myaka gyammwe njagala obbawo amaanyi nti Museveni n'emyaka gye n'abo abamwetoolodde n'okutya kwe balina amazima ga Katonda mu ggulu nga ndi wano emityana mbabuulira ajja kunyalika ajja kukakana ajja kuwanika bwe munaalemerako ne mugaana okupola asibye ono akubye ono eri bakubye basatu amasasi naye baganye okupowa eri bataano babakubye amasasi naye baganye okupowa eno tiyagasa aweddemu kati ne batuni ziweddemu kati abapoliisi batanze okujjako ebyambalo batanze okudduka emisinde Museveni ajja bayita agambe Bobi Wine mwagala ki mujje njagala obbawo ensuubi n'abakyali mulamu bajja kunzijayo bagambe Bobi genda oyogere n'abayaaye bo genda oyogere ne baganda bo ekintu kyetusaba kiri simple tukisaba wano so that ne bwemba siriiwo musigala musabe ekyo muzeeyi mumugambe tetuyinza mubaako na buzibu kasitaava ku bukulembeze mu ddembe bw'aba mukulembeze mu ddembe tusobola omusonyiwa n'ebikolwa bye byatukoze naye ageza akyankalanye bannayuganda ajja kumanya badikiteta bonna bwe bamaliriza so njagala mbeere confident njagala mbeere bagumu baganda bange lwaki mbagamba bwe nti wentuye wano ndaba baana bato yemwe bananyini nsi Uganda ku population ya Uganda katino kambabulire ne kino mwaba kyenyuma nti mukya
they disappeared. I am not briefed by police that they have them in our custody. So at the moment, I don't have any information to the effect that they are in police custody. Nor do I have any information that they are accused by police. If I had it, I would volunteer it here without any reservations. I also don't know whether it has been reported formally that they are lost persons or missing persons. I don't have that information. The other issue is about the matter, which I've even said right now and hinted about it, that we concentrate on only NUP. That's not true. When we are enforcing these rules. No, that is not true. The only challenge we have been having is for political reasons. People always want to drag in the name of the president in their talk all the time. What of the president? What of the president? Let me tell you from today, so that you either accept it or leave it. We have a head of state in Uganda. You either come to terms with it or not, but at least hear it. We are not going to subject a head of state of this country to your incessant calls. Why is the head of state stopping his car? Why is he coming out of the car? Please mind your business. We have a head of state. One thing at least I recall is that we shared most of these expectations with the NRM party. From the nomination time you saw, there was compliance. The party came with its members in Costa, who escorted the head of state. There are even those who wanted us to regulate the number of vehicles. Can you imagine the number of vehicles the head of state moves with? I think that is, you are going too far But we shall ignore you anyway and continue doing our work. And you will see us move. So far, one of the things we observe is other candidates have also been talked to. Nandala Mafabi, we had an incident, 1 or 2. We engaged him. We also had those disagreements on ground. We had the same with Munyagwa, candidate Munyagwa. So whoever we have issues with, we reach out to him. We know numbers move. Even all those you are saying NOP is being targeted, there are huge numbers move. There are those we ignore, especially where people are organically in numbers moving to a campaign site. Where challenges have come or have arisen is when they want to hold rallies along the routes and trading centers. We have engaged them and made our positions very candid to them. The attacks on police, those we know, they are people who have decided to make a name by attacking the institution of the police. They think that by weakening the police, making it appear brutal, making it appear a human rights violator, they will make their way to parliament and to the capture of state power. We are quite alive to that fact. There are those even who attempt to provoke us into fights so that they make a name, playing a card of victim. We are quite aware of all that. Even when they are planning, we are aware. But we appeal to you to try as much as possible not to look for trouble, because it is in our best interest, all of us, that we have a peaceful election, in the best interest of everybody. Nobody wishes violence, and nobody takes credit when we discredit an electoral process where we are going to determine our leaders for the next 5 years.